¿Este? Ah, por acá.
¿Cuál es?
Ajá.
Everything inside or just a box?
Just a box.
Just a box?
Yeah.
3.
$3.
Nomás dame hielos a la señora.
¿Y es nomás?
Sí. ¿Ves?
¿Cuánto?
5.
Sí, esa es una cera. Esta vale 5.
¿Está cuánto?
5. Esa vale 5. Es clásica ya.
Deme 15 por ahí. Entonces miran bien lindas. Bien lindas. Ay, no, yo tengo 2 años para acá, vieron del 4. Súbala. Sí, obligada. No, oh, ok, oiga, obligada, güey, puta, güey. Se me vuelve.
¿Está cuánto?
Hay de 3 y de...
Oh, también de precio.
Sí.
Listo.
Guárdala porque es una clásica, no hay.
No, pues por eso la agarré.
No, esa bike vale caro.
Sí, sale.
¿Qué?
Un café contigo.
Ok, está bien.
Oye, cuando está el cheque.
Ok, vaya pues, quédate.
Estas dos piezas.
Llegan 15 la aquella chamaca. ¿Por cuánto?
Queda muy grande. ¿Esta? ¿Cuánto?
20.
¿Y este van?
En 15 se lo van a tener a 20, pero el veo que estaba un poco lo. Mira, ¿cuánto se ve?
De que le pongan la chapa.
What is it?
Fudulk. Hot. Selit. Hot.
Oh. Oh wow. Cool. Thank you. No, that was a blanket. I like the blanket. How much?
130. Buenos días.
How much are the hats?
Hats,
How much are the hats?
yeah. It depends. Some are 15, some are 10, man. Bucket hats right here, bucket. Got this one, pretty dope.
Mm. Oh, okay.
Ya, ¿sabes lo que estaba ahí, afuera de tu casa?
Dice, ya lo dejó el agua, ya no.
Ya, se calmó.
Sí, se calmó, ya está bien.
shorts here too. A lot of cool shorts. Right? I'll do 30 for 3. Yeah. Usually this one I'll do 15, dude. That's a good one. That Warriors classic, dude. You don't see that logo no more. It's a fresh one. Got all these shorts right here.
I'll just take these two.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Want to give me 5 for that one?
I like it for myself, just
You gotta wash it a little bit.
yeah.
Not bad, bro.
Cheap. Everything cheap and nice. Barato, barato. I have more here. You can check. Está bueno. Pero a dólar la ropa.
¿Está cuánto?
Era para la yayita.
How much is the sale right now? $1 t-shirts? $1, yeah. Everything $1? What? That's a good deal. I never had no fucking money to buy it.
¿Cuánto los da eso? $13.
300.
Oh, yo hice 3.
Oh, quiere la mesa.
Yo estaba viendo la mesa, revisándola. Qué bonito trabajo tiene mi mesa. Pero ahorita no la estoy luciendo porque como saqué cosas en medio.
Voy a mandar la foto a ver si
Hay muchos más pequeños. Hay esa flor también que se deshoja.
Ándale, cuídate. Ahí está. Dale, la guardamos.
No le va a hacer daño.
Ok.
Entre
No, no. Acá en la entrada, aquí donde entra uno para entrar aquí en lugar de... ¿Dónde está? ¿Se lo puede traer? ¿Dónde? Si quieren ahí tengo la batería. No sé. pastores. Sí, el gobierno. Señor, fíjame aquí.
¿Cuánto? 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 ¿A cuánto?
No sé, es que mi papá se fue al Jack in the Box.
Órale. Alright, what's up YouTube? This is my pickups for Sunday. You got the America jersey by Cuauhtemoc Blanco. Thought it was freaking cool. I haven't seen one of these in a while. It's super cheap, $1. I think it was $1. I just thought it was cool, so I picked it up. Probably going to go on Whatnot. And I got this windbreaker here. That was cool as well. Never seen one like this. Just the colorway, the old logo. It's just, I'm not sure if it's old, but it's fucking awesome. And it's pretty cool. I just like it. I'm probably gonna keep it myself, but probably will go on Whatnot. I have too much shit already. Then I picked these up. Diesel. Pretty sure it's expensive, so I don't know. Probably gonna go on eBay. Still got it cheap. May go on Whatnot, but not quite sure yet. Probably an eBay item. Next, we got the Hugo Boss. Hugo Boss denim jacket, I guess call it. It's pretty cool. I like it. I don't know, super big. I think it's like double XL, but that's what's in right now. So you gotta get what's in. So if someone will like it, probably go on Whatnot too. It's a nice colorway. But I mean, that's what's in right now. The bagginess, the baggy pants, the baggy shirt. So probably go Whatnot. Look at that. Ooh. Then after that, we got the Polo Ralph Lauren. I'm not sure what are these. Oh, chinos. I'm not sure the size. Oh, my bad. Oh, 31 by 32. 31 by 32. I thought they were dope. I mean, Polo Ralph Lauren, you can never go wrong with that. So maybe Whatnot, maybe eBay, not quite sure yet. Then this lady she just takes care of me. So I mean, she wanted to throw this in. I was like, whatever. I mean, she always takes care of me. They gotta take care of the people that take care of you. Just Nike, you know. Summer. Winter's around the corner, so I don't know. Maybe a Whatnot item. Got it pretty cheap. The Nike swoosh. It's just, I mean, it's not bad, but I mean, it is what it is. I take care of the people that take care of you, obviously. And this one, I thought it was dope, super dope. I mean, someone must like this. I'm not sure what size it is. Size L. Look at that. I don't know. I just messed up though. It doesn't have the little clip thing right here, but I mean, I don't think people double clip it. To be honest, I'm not sure if people double clip it. I think people really just like how it is, just with one clip. I don't know, I've seen it before. So yeah, it's just like the embroidery. Probably Whatnot. I will link in my Whatnot profile in the description below. Then I might keep this hat. I don't know, it's just a cool color, like brownish, greenish, I don't know. Sweaty, I don't know, I might keep it, might not. Maybe another Whatnot item. Then this, I thought this caught my attention. I don't know why, just the logos. The logo. I don't know, it's just cool. I don't know, I might keep this one too. Nah, probably not. This is another Whatnot. Yeah, keep a look up for that. Then this as well. Pretty cool as well. For sure, Whatnot. Then this one's pretty cool too. For sure, Whatnot or eBay. I just don't like the stitching of it. You see, I'm not sure if that's that's how it's supposed to be, or is that a defect? I'm not sure, but it's pretty cool. Lakers season's coming. What else we got? We got this Stussy right here. What's Stussy? I don't know. Oh. It says $26. Got it for like, I think 10. I'm not sure how much I paid, but maybe it's like, I'm not sure if it's legit or not, but I will find out. I think it must be legit. So yeah, that's gonna go Whatnot as well. If not, eBay store. I will link my eBay store down below. Keep a lookout for that. And I just got these. Probably me, I don't know. For every Whatnot, I might just throw this in for free. Yeah, I don't know. Linkin Park I love Linkin Park, but I mean, I just thought like, why not give them out for free? So I mean, once I set up my Whatnot, once I go live on Whatnot, hopefully soon. I'm thinking this Thursday or Wednesday coming up, you will receive one of these for free if with your order. Why not? Then after that, we got this. Again, this lady threw this in. This lady is so nice. You'll see it. You probably know who I'm talking about. She always gives me steals. I don't know. She ran to me. She offered this to me. I mean, she ran to me. Like I can't say no. Like I can't. She gives me deals. So I'm like, you know what? $2. Alright, whatever. I'll take it. Probably Whatnot. Then, last but not least, this jacket right here. I don't know why this looks so cool. It doesn't fit me. I think it's too. I mean, I could wear it without being zipped up, but I mean, look at this. This is awesome right here. This is just dope. Made in USA. It's fucking cool. I don't know. I saw on eBay maybe it's like $100 to $150 jacket. I bought it for $40. But I mean, if you're interested, I mean, just message me, follow my Instagram. But this is fucking awesome. I didn't know that. I thought this was like for another I thought it was missing something because of this right here. Because how the guy had it in the video, I thought it was like missing a button, but it turns out it's for this right here. What an idiot I am. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. This is dope as hell. So I don't know, I might post this on eBay. Might be on Whatnot. I highly doubt it's gonna be on Whatnot. I don't think no one's gonna pay for this. But it won't go for as much. But it's just fucking awesome. So we'll see. I mean, if you're interested, just hit me up on my Instagram, of course. But it's probably gonna be on eBay. This is probably an eBay item, for sure. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and be on the lookout for my Whatnot. It will happen this week. Hopefully everything goes well. So I'll see you on Thursday or Wednesday. I'll keep you posted. Follow my Instagram, of course. And yeah, thank you.